Hey again everyone, this is another video tutorial brought to you by RushOnIt, and in this video we're going to show you how to use the CRM system sales process. Now this tutorial is going to be split up into separate videos in order to simplify the process as much as possible for everyone and explain each step of the sales process individually but not separately, as what you find is that everything in the CRM system synchronizes with each other. Now the key point to the CRM system is that it offers almost endless possibilities to enter, to process, or to display your business data. That includes a full steering of your entire sales process, starting with first contact with a prospective client to after sales support, and the contact management for your customers or vendors, or others related to individual persons, enterprises, or groups. Also includes a time and priority controlled activity management feature and the product and service catalog. But we'll start off with customer contacts, as the effective usage of your contacts is the most important element of a CRM system. Ultimately, all business activities are targeted on customers. The CRM system distinguishes three different types of contacts. You have your regular leads, then you have your contacts to single persons, and you have accounts, which are contacts to an organization such as legal entities, groups, agencies, etc. The CRM offers you to enter any kind of information to each of these contact types and to link organization and individual persons to other CRM entries when appropriate. During the work with the CRM system, contacts should always be linked to the different stages of the sales process, such as leads, potentials, or help desk. By referencing to sales stages, you'll be able to handle your contacts efficiently. The sales process supported by the CRM has been divided into the following steps. The first step is a lead, which you can convert to a potential, which you can then issue a quote, which you can process as a sales order, which you can then email an invoice to the respective customer, and probably the most important step, which is the service after the initial transaction. Leads are your first contact to a prospective customer. You may collect leads from your marketing activities such as trade shows, advertisement, presentations, etc. If you click on New Lead at the Quick Create menu, you are offered a quick entry menu for leads, but only for name, company, phone, and email entries. If you want to collect more detailed information, you may click the Sales tab at the navigation area. Use the plus icon to open the edit view for a new lead. You can enter all the lead information you have there. Remember that entry fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory, and to click Save to send your entries to the CRM system once you've completed the listing. If you create a lead, this lead will be assigned to you automatically. You will assign the lead to a different CRM user or user group by changing the content of the Assign To field to a different person or to a team. Once you've saved your lead, click on the Sales tab again to come to the Lead List view. At this list view, you may delete leads, send emails to leads, mass edit leads, even perform a mail merge using a pre-made template, much like in Microsoft Word and Outlook. It is most efficient to create a new account from a lead whilst converting them to a potential. However, sometimes it will be necessary to enter new accounts directly. This is helpful if you want to have competitors, private contacts, or special contacts also stored in your CRM system. Since account information can contain references to contacts, it is always advisable to enter the account information first before you take care of contact information. When you add a contact to the CRM later, the related account information will already be available. To create a new account, click on New Account at the Quick Create menu, or go to Sales and Accounts. Then click the plus icon. Now you can enter the basic account information. Non-relevant entry fields can remain empty, and you may also consider to use customized fields. If an administrator has allowed you access to this field, make sure that your user group has agreed on a common standard for making entries to the field. You may add further account information by clicking on the More Information tab Click the Save button to transfer your data to the CRM system. To create a new contact, the same basic principles apply as creating a new lead. Simply mouse over the sales bar, click on Contacts, click on the Add button, and you'll come to a very similar screen as the lead editor. The offered standard fields are fairly self-explanatory. Your CRM administrator may remove those standard fields which are not suitable for you based on your profile. Also, by clicking on the Add button next to the account name field, you can link individual contacts to accounts for companies and organizations. While most are self-explanatory, the following fields serve a special purpose in the More Information tab. The Email Opt-out checkbox. Contacts which have this checkbox selected will not receive email messages that are normally sent to them by the CRM system. The CRM system will not send automatic emails to these contacts. This helps you, for instance, to respect the contact's wishes when it comes to privacy. The Reports To field. Here you may choose the name of the supervisor if the contact has been entered already. The Do Not Call checkbox. Mark this checkbox to indicate that the contact does not wish to receive calls. And the Reference checkbox. You may use this checkbox to indicate whether this contact is willing to serve as a reference for your business with other customers. Part 2 of this tutorial is on its way.